What's good, YouTube? We don't know it's about work and I'm back at it like a drug addict. What me just say, I'm back at it like a drug addict. Everybody's having a wonderful day today, even though in the west side it's kind of raining, but I hope everybody's doing good, everybody's staying safe. Before me even jump into the video, I just want to say a big thank you to all my supporters and who support me and who watch my video and who share it. I just want to say thank you. And for the persons who are supporting, there's a phone card giveaway coming in the next video, so make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, click the bell, man, so you can be notified. So the next thing I want to do is say a big thank you for the 1K subscribers. Even though I've been at 1K subscriber for a while, but without you guys, I actually won't even do the video. Not that true. Won't even do this video, and I just want to say thank you guys for supporting and everything you've been doing so far. Alright, so make sure to stay tuned for the next video. And as you can see by the title, you can see where I'm just doing a little update vlog on what's been going on. So well, that's actually one of the questions, because I have a couple questions that I want to answer because I've been getting them a lot and I just want to answer them, because each time one of you guys asks me the question, if you're watching the video now, you're going to see this, and I probably just don't say it in person, but each time a person asks me the specific question, it kind of hurt my feelings. One of the questions that I've been asked the most is Wagwan for the channel, what's going on for the channel, anyhow they ask it. And to be honest, it always hurt my feelings, because definitely me know say yes, more entertain the people, but deep down, you know, I have background situations where you have COVID, so I have to be careful of what I do, and I have family members around me who can die, so I had to choose. But I won't say that I won't say that is an excuse, to be honest, because I could do other content, I could react to videos and stuff like that, but I choose not to. I choose to give it a break until everything is all good. And this is not supposed to be a sad video or anything like that, because I really want to do this. Like, I love to entertain, I love to make people laugh. Anybody around me, like, you could ask anybody around me that I love to make other persons happy or even smiling or laugh. That alone just make me day. If you can do that, it's a blessing. To be honest, it's a blessing to can actually make somebody. And not really to answer the question, the channel is still here. I really want to go back in the streets to do some more, to do season 2. I speak in mind, because you know, I really love that content. The next question that I've been asked the most is let's answer the two questions that really actually hurt the feelings. Is if me really make the negative comments them get to me, so me stop upload. No, the negative things they not get to me. We can say that bold and brave. They don't get to me, because nothing when nobody said to me can get to me at this point. It's just that I've been working, I've been trying to get certain things out the way. It's been a rough year so far, and I am trying to work things out so I can put content out there for you guys, and I can get things done, because I know I want to get back to entertaining you guys and stuff like that. You know, say everybody bored, me bored, you bored, everybody bored, and you know, it's just a bored ism. That's the word? Boy. No. I don't know. Chow.
Bruh.
That is a that's a boredism. We just are using. And to be honest, those questions really hurt my feelings. I'm going to say this. And I've been hearing it before I even start YouTube. I've been hearing it that the moment you pause or the moment you stop do something or uploading, it's going to take a lot more just to just for you to upload again. Anytime you start back again, it's like it come like God just drop your world on your shoulder for you start back. It's just one big this and big that and one back. Every minute you say I gotta do this and I get to do it. And I've seen where persons are disappointed in me, and as for Spicy that I feel away. I feel away talking about disappoint people, and I want to get in some good content out there for you guys. And as me always say, I'm back at it. Like a sugar dick. I'm back at it. So remember to like the video, comment, click the post notification bell, and just stay tuned, because you know in the next video coming up we're gonna have a phone card giveaway. So remember to stay tuned. Remember to stay tuned. Peace.